I'm going to teach you how to make a simple automated to-do list in Notion. Perfect for beginners. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system that drops your daily tasks into a table with a single click, so you can focus on getting things done. Start by creating a new page in Notion. Click New Page, and give it a clear name like To-Do List so it's easy to find later. On this page, we'll build a database that tracks your tasks, their status, and when they're due. Type the / command for table and choose Table, Full Page. This creates a full-page database that's great for tracking recurring items. You'll see a few default columns. Rename the first column to Task. This should be your title property, where the name of each task goes. Next, rename another column to Status and set its property type to Select. Add two options, To Do and Done. Finally, rename the next column to Due Date and make sure its property type is Date. With these three properties in place, you have a simple structure that covers what you need without clutter. Now, let's automate the daily part. Type /template and select Template button. This button will create a batch of pre-filled tasks whenever you need them. Rename the button to Add Daily Tasks so its purpose is obvious. In the template area, add the tasks you repeat every day. Things like check emails or morning meeting. Make sure each task is set up as an entry that maps to your table, with status defaulting to Do and due date set however you prefer, such as today or left blank. The idea is that the button will insert these tasks for you so you don't have to create them from scratch. Each day, click Add Daily Tasks. Your pre-filled items will appear instantly in the table, ready to be worked through. As you complete work, update the status column from To Do to Done. This gives you a quick visual of progress and helps keep your list tidy. If you want to focus on what's left, use a simple filter. Click Filter and set it to show only items where status is To Do. This hides completed tasks, so you see only what needs attention. You can remove or adjust the filter anytime to review what you've finished or to plan ahead. And that's how you automate your daily to-do list in Notion. Easy and beginner-friendly. Like, share, and subscribe for more Notion tutorials.